Okay, I'm going to pull in here and kind of show you how I sort of configured this P90 pickup cover into a ring in order to adjust this Gibson pickup in this Tele. The pickup needed to be lowered after the fret job was done to be able to set the action, to be able to balance out these two pickups and get the action where it should be, and be able to adjust those saddles for the radius and everything else. Once I kind of honed it in, that pickup needed to go down considerably. Now the way it was installed, it was just kind of, the body was kind of just chiseled out. So in order to drop the pickup down, I needed to sharpen a chisel and chisel it out a little bit further. I'm showing you this because this is what I've got. On the tip of these two screws, I have a piece of surgical tubing like you would use in a Tele bridge pickup typically. That goes underneath the flange for the adjustment for this pickup. That's on the underside of the flange. On the other side of the flange and butting up against the inside of this pickup ring is this spring mechanism here. Most importantly, it allows me to get this pickup where it needs to be, but it also suspends the pickup slightly. You can see I'm pressing in. That's this surgical tubing underneath kind of flexing a little bit. And it's floating, which is a good thing because this pickup is actually really microphonic. So now the pickup is adjusted exactly where it needs to be. It was kind of a roundabout way to do it, but that's the configuration. Surgical tubing, got that long screw, and then a compression spring. And this was formerly the cover for a P90 pickup. So I cut it open and basically fabricated a ring for this mini humbucker. That's what that's all about. You can see that many years ago, the customer had basically routed a canal for this wire to come to the cavity. That pickup is completely disconnected. It's not working at all. This is the setup he's been using all these years. I've just basically physically tweaked it a little bit. Yeah, so I've done what I could do within the parameters of what the customer gave me. We have the three-way adjustable saddles, the bell brass. Now, in this case, I adjusted this string so it was perfect, and then I filed out the A so it was just back a little bit further. With the D string, same thing. I did end up filing a little bit to get these to line up absolutely perfectly. The first saddle is the only saddle that I didn't have to touch or alter. So here's our compensated nut. That's done. All the frets have been changed. And this guitar is up and running. Switch the pickups around and kind of let you hear this thing. So we got the that Les Paul Deluxe mini humbucker pickup here. The bridge pickup is completely unwired. It doesn't work at all. So it's really just these two pickups. So you'll hear them. This is the way Rick has had this guitar for eons. This is what we got. I did record what I was just playing there. So I basically got E major, then I go into a C sharp minor. So here we go. Bridge pickup.